Here's something most 3D artists don't realize. Your portfolio isn't judged in 5 minutes. It's judged in 10 seconds. And in those 10 seconds, most portfolios are already dead. Let me show you exactly why. This video isn't about talent. It's about how studios actually look at portfolios. By the end of this, you'll understand what recruiters notice first, why good artists still get ignored, and how to instantly make your portfolio stronger without adding new work. And yes, this might hurt a little, because the biggest reason portfolios fail has nothing to do with quality. Reason number 1, no clear role in the first 3 seconds. When a recruiter opens your portfolio, they're asking one question immediately. What role is this artist applying for? If the answer isn't obvious in 3 seconds, they move on. Environment, lighting, animation, FX. If your portfolio says, I do everything, studios here, I do nothing professionally. And it gets worse. A clear role means viewers know instantly if you fit the job, such as character animator. Unclear reels mix skills or lack labels, confusing recruiters. Studios want to see your best work first to grab attention. Reels without early clarity get rejected because they fail to hook the viewer. Tailor your reel to one main role to stand out. This shows you understand the job and studio needs. Recruiters spend only seconds reviewing each demo reel due to high volumes of applications. They need to quickly see what skills you offer, like modeling, animation, or lighting. 2. Too much work equals weak work. Most artists think more pieces means more chances. Studios think the opposite. One weak piece poisons the whole portfolio. Recruiters don't average your work. They judge you by your worst piece. That's why 5 strong projects beat 15 experiments every time. But even strong work fails for another reason. 3. No context equals no trust. A pretty render without explanation is just eye candy. Studios want to know, what was your responsibility? What problems did you solve? What constraints did you work under? If your portfolio doesn't show thinking, studios assume there was none. And this next one is the fastest rejection trigger. 4. Bad first shot equals instant exit. Recruiters don't wait for your best work. They expect it first. If your opening image is average, they never scroll. That first shot decides everything. Your portfolio should start with your strongest, clearest, most relevant piece every time. So what does a portfolio that passes the 10-second test actually look like? Here's how studios scan portfolios in under 10 seconds. Clear role immediately. Only relevant work. Strong first image. Evidence of problem solving. Clean presentation. No clutter. That's it. Not software. Not render engines. Not fancy effects. Clarity beats complexity. In the next video, I'll break down why demo reels fail even faster than portfolios, and how to cut yours down to something studios actually watch. If you want real studio-level career advice, not YouTube myths, hit subscribe. This channel is about helping you think like a studio artist, not just make pretty renders. See you in the next one.